Hello coders, this is Jared with Renaissance Coders, and in this video we are going to announce our first weekly winner and announce our next weekly challenge. I did want to offer a quick thanks to everyone who submitted projects to our first weekly challenge. Now I do want to just quickly review the challenge given out last week, and then we will demo the project that we have chosen as the victor before finally giving the victor his proper respects. Okay, so the last week's challenge was to create a game with hierarchy restrictions such that your submitted project only contained one plane, one light, one camera, one sphere, 4 cubes, and any number of empty game objects. After reviewing the submitted projects, here's the project that we chose as our weekly winner. Okay coders, so this is the project that we chose as our weekly winner. As you can see, it's a very simple project. The project does adhere to our hierarchy restriction. So let's press the play button here and see how the game plays. Okay, so as we can see, we've got a timer running, we've got an overheat percentage, and we've got these 3 blocks. If I press the space bar, we can see that a laser shoots out and our overheat percentage is increased. Now the objective of the game is to shoot the blocks with our laser. And it's pretty complicated because we don't really have anything to target with. That was a really good shot, 2 for 1. And basically we have a high score methodology where, there we go. So now we can see the high score, so we can see our final score and our global high score. So let's press R again and we can quickly relaunch the game. That overheat is really frustrating sometimes. No! And, no! Oh my god. This game is hard. Come on. So you have to time it so that you... Yes, there we go. Okay, so it's a pretty cool, fun little game. Very simple. You know, we've just got the green plane. We've got the black sphere here. So it is a very simple game. A lot of fun to play, though. So let's go ahead and announce the winner. Okay, now that we have reviewed the project, it is time to announce our winner's YouTube username. So let's all tip our hats to the coder of the week, Devil Lime.
Winner takes all. It's the thrill of one more kill, the last one to fall. Who never sacrifice their will. Don't ever look back on the world closing in. Be on the attack with your wings on the wind. All the things will begin. And it's sweet, sweet, sweet victory, yeah. And it's ours for the taking, it's ours for the fight. And it's sweet, sweet, sweet victory, yeah. And the one is last to fall. The winner takes all.
Okay, coders, I hope that everyone enjoyed the challenge of the week. And again, thank you to everyone who submitted a project, and congratulations to the coder of the week, Devil Lime. Now it is time to announce our challenge for the next week. Before we do that, I do want to point out that we did have a lot of questions around the previous challenge, so we have decided to simplify things for this week. So our challenge for this week will be more like a game jam. Basically, we will give you a theme, and you can create a game based on the provided theme. So our theme for this week is fire. Now I created a quick game related to this topic that you coders can take a look at. So let's take a quick look at our project. Okay coders, so this is the project that I created for this weekly challenge. I created this project in about 3 hours today using several of Unity's standard assets, the 8-directional character controller that we created last week, and a few of the scripts that we will be reviewing this week as well. It is a very simple project. Basically what I have here is I have some water just to make things a little prettier. I've got my basic material on a bunch of cubes. I've got a fire particle system that is going to move with our character controller that I added a rigid body to in order to use gravity. And I have a trigger collider that will kill the player. So if I press play now, we can see that I'm able to move around. I've got my fire going, and I can just sort of move the fire through the level. So this is a really simple game. There's nothing really super complex in here, or really challenging. It's just something that's meant to be a lot of fun. So let's see how far I can get here. Oh, I thought I timed it perfectly, but I was a little off. Come on. Yep. Oh, come on. Here we go. I made it. All right. And now this level isn't complete, as you can see. It actually ends like right here, but again, it's just a really short demonstration of what I've been working on. And of course, if I jump off the world, I die in the water. So this is just sort of my take on the theme. You don't have to do something like this if you don't want to. You can, of course, take the theme however you want and create a game based around the theme. We will probably judge based on how well you interpret the theme, but what we really want to see are creative projects that show that you understand Unity, or that you're learning Unity, and you have the capabilities to create an interesting game within Unity. Okay, so that's going to do it for the reviewing this project. Okay, coders, I do want to add a reminder here that we are going to give a physical reward to the coder with the most points at the end of this month. So right now, Devil Lime is in the lead. We are also working on some digital rewards as well for our coder of the month, so be sure to get started on your projects. Okay, one final thing that I do want to talk about is that we are going to accept the projects in the same manner as our previous challenge, and we will release a video later in the week walking you through the process needed in order to submit a project to us. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope that everyone is looking forward to the new week's challenge. I know that I am excited to see what you coders come up with. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because we only accept projects from subscribed users, and as always, thanks for watching.